What it do? Vloggy vlog. Y'all, guess where we're going? If you can guess, you get $2.
Not the $2, stupid bitch.
Guys, we're going to Montreal. Okay, we're actually the first ones here. Like, we're early birds. What time is it? It's currently...
It's 5 o'clock. 4, oh no, 4.
Not 4:44.
Whoa.
You know what that is? That's good luck. Wait, is this focusing? Yeah, 4:44. That's good luck. So we're gonna go to security, and we're gonna wait for like the other girls there. I'm so excited.
I'm excited. We will get our little coffee. We'll chill.
This is like my first girls trip with mom.
I'm excited. Like, now we go on another trip with my best friend. Are y'all dumb?
Are y'all stupid?
Are y'all dumb?
And this is our first time going to Montreal.
I know, both of us have never been to, so.
And you know, we had to like twin.
We're twinning with the PLC.
Anyways, I'll get back to you guys when we're at security or when we're with the rest of girls. Okay, I'll chat to you guys later. Bye.
Yeah.
Is Miriam going on a 1-month vacation? Why do you have all this shit?
Can you shut up? Because some of it's yours.
Be fucking for real, girl. You have one thing for me and it's a body wash. I'm so excited for this trip. I am just so excited. I'm so excited. Anyways, yeah, right now I'm just chilling. I'm waiting for my food and I'm waiting for Miriam. Oh, not her pulling up on me. But yeah, anyways, I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. Bro, not them having Appleton Estate. It's like a Jamaican rum.
You want to take a shot?
And Campari. Is everything good? Y'all, they got all the Jamaican liquor up in here.
Do you want to take a shot?
Are you mad? You guys hear her?
Take a shot.
No, asking me to take a shot. Shot o'clock? What time is it? Da, 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 da. Okay. Guys, content creators on a trip. They go on a trip. It is fun.
No way.
There's too many content.
I'm really falling. Overdose, lade overdose. I don't know. Whoa. Okay.
I just need my drink. Where's my drink?
Okay, girls trip. Where's the basement? Oh, this is nice. Okay.
Oh, it's nice.
Okay, this is so nice.
Browski. Hey, hey. This is cute.
Let's be changing.
Guys,
let me tell y'all something. The girls came to eat. Wait, hello.
In the dirt that they threw on my name, turn to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still.
I'm done. This is recorded.
Not unruly behavior on camera.
Guys, what the hell?
Hey, mommy, if you're watching this, you ain't seeing nothing.
I know.
Yo, so remember when I said we were going to dinner? So change of plans. We're in a pizza joint. We're in a pizza shop. And we're going to the club after.
pizza to be precise.
Pizza.
And I fucking hate pizza, bro.
Hate it. So I guess like everyone's angry, you know, so there's a lot of energy going on. But
I'm ready to take that energy out.
so if you see her in the club, mind your business.
I need poutine. I want to order.
I can't see, I'm blind. No way. No way we're doing vocals and pizza. But y'all, we're looking cute. Did I show you guys the fit? Okay. I don't know if I can go around here, but I'll do it for you guys. I'm not even allowed to be back here, but you want anything for the content. Feel me? Anyways, I'm actually hungry, so I'll get back to you when we're at the club. I don't know if I'll vlog when I'm in the club, but we'll see. I can't see, I'm blind.
I'm actually so fucking hot. It's actually mad. Every time I get dolled up, even sometimes when I'm looking at myself with no makeup.
Last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Go bow for the result, oh. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did win by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the guys out, oh. I'm a mindless with the dog, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy and I know that get both like the Baba Frayo. Don't cry, yo. Ani bibo ashayo, ani bibo ashayo, ani bibo ashayo.
I'm so tired.
Guys, I'm tired.
No, not the flex on the pillow.
Good morning, vloggies.
Good morning, vlog.
Yo, this is
it's actually annoying me.
guys, this is the worst part ever.
Wait, don't tell me this was slow-mo this whole time.
It's okay, you can change it.
Yo, the city is so beautiful.
We're in the street.
Wow, the city's really gonna break my heart. Whoa. Not the vloggy vloggers. Okay guys, we made it to the breakfast brunch spot. Honestly, Montreal is a whole vibe, guys. Like, I love it here. It's really nice. It's really like mellow, calm, you know. And we're at the Bird Box, I believe. And just get into the aesthetics. Just get into it. Okay guys, so we just left brunch. That was 10 out of 10. The food was so amazing. So we're currently at this random art gallery. We were supposed to go to the museum, but that wasn't the plan. And the universe is actually like aligning with us, like, because as soon as we stepped out of our Uber, we saw this art gallery, guys. Hey, right here, show a picture right here. Hey, right here, show 'em. I can't wait for Mar and them to see this. They're gonna scream. Oh my god, guys, so update. The man kicked us out of the art gallery. Can you believe it? But we're at this cute little thrift spot. Not Mar mashing up her phone, but it's cute and they're having a sale. Okay, I'm gonna go upstairs, but y'all know I'm scared of heights. But I like the no, this is too small for me. If Miriam can do it, I guess I can. Because her heels, oh jeez. Be careful, please. Alright. Guys, I'm actually terrified. I'm terrified of heights. Y'all should have seen me holding on to the railing. That's how it looks. Like, it goes around. One thing about me, I'm scared. I'm a scaredy cat.
Feeling scared of the stairs.
I'm scared of heights. Hello? Okay, I'm gonna come out and y'all will see me. Yo, I feel like every time I pick up this camera, we're always at a different location.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is.
But we're really walking, we're really traveling today.
Oh yeah.
Miriam, not her posting the pictures. Oh. It's me and Besticle. But yeah, we're in this cute little cafe. It's so cute. Let me show you guys.
Yeah, it's very cute. It's very cozy.
Chill vibes, chill vibes.
Every time I hear Ariana, I think of you now. Because every time I text her,
Because it's funny. It's funny because every time I'm gonna say hey, every time I see her, she has like a new saying that she keeps saying over and over.
That's what I told her the other day. I said, this new one needs to be.
Wait, you mean me? Yes.
Yes, you and me. She said yesterday.
What are you doing here?
I told her, what did she say something about superstar? No, I was talking to Mom.
She want me superstar.
She's literally doing her makeup. Can't find her, bro. She want me superstar. I said, can you go get your clothes on? Like, people are outside waiting for us to leave. Talk about shit you want me superstar.
That's my favorite one. That's my favorite one.
Honestly, TikTok is the best app.
The way she make hearing for it. The way she it's so entertaining. I don't know how I wasn't honest. I meant to take it out.
I just be shaking my ass through the pain. Okay guys, we are back in the B&B. I'm with Miriam. Honestly, we tapped out. The girls are still out in the city exploring, but yo, I went to bed at
at 5 a.m.
Bro, we went to bed at 5 a.m. So by the time I closed my eyes, open, blinked, Aisha was just like, wake up. Huh? I haven't even started like dreaming properly. What do you mean wake up? So Miriam and I, we didn't really sleep good last night. So we tapped out and I was freezing. I chose cuteness over warmth.
Yeah.
So that wasn't good. But I know how I am. If I don't sleep, I'll get cranky. No one likes a cranky girl on a trip because I'll be giving everyone attitude. But y'all, Montreal, you really outdid yourself. And it's it's winter time. It's winter time. And this is the third time I'm saying it because this city's cute. It's cute.
I like the old port area that we're staying in. It's so nice.
It's so nice.
It gives me your vibe. Cause like it's a city, but it's not like a hustle and bustle. Obviously I don't know what it's gonna be like in the summer, but
no, it's giving
bruh.
Yummy. What it do? Okay guys, not the trip coming to an end soon, but y'all already know I came on the camera to show y'all my fit. I know for this trip I really ate with the fits. Period. So everyone's getting ready right now and it's so hot. I literally have a migraine. I feel like I need to meditate. I'm all over the place right now. We made it to the spot. Okay, never mind. No glasses. Tell me why I can't see. So this surprise party is supposed to be 7 p.m. It's currently 8. Guys, we made it on time to the surprise party. We're waiting for the rest of the girls.
Thank you.
Right here. Oh. Okay. Right in front of me.
Y'all, our food just came. Scrum dilly, yum yum.
Okay, girls, who's having the Capri pizza? The Capri.
Oh, look at Mariam.
2023.
Big purr.
First girls trip of the year.
Y'all, we're going back home.